Did you ever hear the one about the caveman who invented courier transportation? He was just tired of his mammoth meat getting spoiled by the time he got it home. Now let's take a step back, way back, to the Stone Age. Picture this, UG, our caveman courier, lugging a hefty slab of mammoth meat across treacherous terrains. There are no wheels, no roads, just UG and his dinner-to-be. Imagine the challenges he faced. There's the unpredictable weather. One moment it's sunny, the next a thunderstorm. And let's not forget about the predators. Saber-toothed tigers and dire wolves were just waiting for a chance to snatch away UG's hard-earned meal. But UG persisted. He knew his family was waiting. He had to deliver, quite literally. That's the spirit of courier service right from the beginning. So, the next time you're upset about a late package, remember our caveman courier and be thankful you're not waiting for a slab of mammoth meat. Fast forward a few millennia, and we've swapped mammoths for horses. The Pony Express, the FedEx of the Wild West, had its own challenges. Ever tried to deliver a package while being chased by bandits? The Pony Express was the rapid delivery service of the mid-19th century, a time when getting a letter from Missouri to California took about 10 days. That's faster than some of our internet connections today, right? But don't be fooled. The job was anything but a leisurely canter across the prairie. Imagine being a Pony Express rider. You're sitting tall in the saddle, a bag of mail slung over your shoulder, the sun's beating down, you've got dust in your eyes, and then, out of nowhere, bandits appear. There's no roadside assistance or GPS to guide you out of this pickle. It's just you, your trusty steed, and your sheer determination to get that package delivered. But it wasn't just bandits our Wild West postmen had to worry about. There were rattlesnakes, hostile terrain, and let's not forget those pesky tumbleweeds. You haven't known true terror until you've seen a tumbleweed the size of a buffalo barreling towards you. As the years rolled on, the Pony Express made way for new and improved methods of transportation. The invention of the steamship and the railroad made delivering mail faster and less hazardous. Suddenly, packages could be transported in bulk across vast distances. It was a game changer, a revolutionary moment in the history of courier transportation. But even as technology advanced, the spirit of the Pony Express lived on. The same dedication to ensuring the safe and timely delivery of packages, the same resilience in the face of challenges, and the same commitment to connecting people across distances. So, while we may grumble about traffic these days, let's not forget our Pony Express predecessors who had to dodge arrows and tumbleweeds. As we hit the 20th century, courier services really took off, literally. Planes, trains, and automobiles changed the game. And then came the internet, turning delivery boys into bytes and bits. Imagine going from delivering packages on horseback to flying them across oceans in a matter of decades. The jet age took courier services to new heights, quite literally. Suddenly you could send a letter to your Aunt Gertrude in Timbuktu, and it would arrive before her next bingo game. The world was shrinking and courier services were the ones holding the shrink ray. But why stop at shrinking the world? Why not make it disappear altogether? Enter the internet revolution. This was a game changer. No longer did we need horses, cars, or even planes to deliver our messages. All we needed was a computer, a modem, and a prayer that the dial-up connection wouldn't drop. Suddenly, courier services weren't just about sending packages. They were about sending information. Emails zipped across the globe in seconds. Documents were sent at the click of a button. Even Aunt Gertrude got in on the action, sending her famous banana bread recipe to all and sundry. But don't think it was all smooth sailing. Oh no, there were hiccups. Anyone remember the dreaded buffering icon, or the agony of a failed download at 99%? And let's not forget the countless hours spent trying to explain to our parents how to attach a file to an email. But despite these challenges, the digital age propelled courier services into the future. From delivering physical goods to transporting information at light speed, the courier industry has continually adapted, evolved, and overcome. So there you have it, folks. From mammoth meat to email in a flash, courier services have come a long way. And to think, it all started because a caveman didn't want to eat spoiled dinner.